Hi, this is Abhinay Teja. This is my PlatinumRx assignment submission. I have completed SQL, spreadsheet and Python tasks. Now I'll quickly walk through my approach. Firstly, I worked on SQL part where I created the first schemas. So I created the tables like users, bookings, items and booking commercials, and then I inserted the sample data into the tables I have created to test the queries. Moving to queries part, the first problem I have received is to get the last booked room for each user. So I used max on booking date and joined it back to the corresponding room number. And for the second question, which is to get total bill amount for bookings in November 2021. For this question, I joined booking commercial with items and computed the amount using quantity multiplied by item rate. And then for the third question, bills in October 2021 were amount greater than 1000. For this problem, since filtering is based on aggregated value, I used having class here to get the output. And moving to next question, the next question is most and least ordered items per month. So I grouped by month and item and compared with max, and I also used max and min values to get both, so that it will work for most ordered and the least order for the question. And then for the fifth question, the question is asking second highest bill in each month. So for this question, I have comparison logic where I exclude the highest and pick the next maximum. So I'll get the second highest bill. So firstly I'll take the largest bill and then I exclude the largest from the given bills, so that I'll get the second largest bill. That's how it works. And this is all about the query part for the hotel schema for the hotel management database. And the second one is clinic system. Next, I calculated the revenue per sales channel for the first question, and using sum and group by. And the second question is top 10 customers based on spending. Here I found top 10 customers based on total spending using aggregation and sorting. And the third question is revenue, expense, profit per month. So for this question, I separately aggregated revenue and expenses per month, joined them, calculated the profit, then I added status column to indicate profitable or not. And coming to fourth question, this query finds most profitable clinic in each city by comparing profits within that city. And this is how I have written the code for it, query for it. And coming to the fifth question, it is asked that to get the second least profitable clinic per state on September 2021. Here I found second least profitable clinic per state using similar filtering logic I have used in previous queries. And this is the query I have written. And after completing the SQL part, I moved to spreadsheets part. In spreadsheets, I created two sheets, ticket and feedback. Let me open the spreadsheet. I have created two sheets which are named as ticket and feedbacks. First, to populate ticket created at, I used index match with CMS IDs as keys. This is the formula I have used. For analysis, I checked whether tickets were created and closed on same day and same hour. Using date and time functions, and then I counted them outlet wise. Wait a minute, I'll show that. Yeah, this is the formula I have written for counting the tickets where it closed on the same day and same hour using date and time functions. And after completing this spreadsheet part, I have attempted the Python section, which is in which I have asked with two questions. The first question is the time converter. This program converts minutes to hours and remaining minutes using division and modulus. This is how the logic works. If the hour is equal to 0, then the remaining minutes will be shown as an output. Else if remaining equal to 0, then the output will be the hours if there are no extra minutes left, and else hours and then the remaining, which is calculated with the usage of modulo operator. And this is how I written the code. And after that, remove duplicates.py. This is the question. This program removes duplicate characters using a loop. It builds a new string by checking if character already exists. You can see we have written the for loop here. We are checking character by character using char, and we are checking if the character is already present in the result or not using the if condition. And if it is not present, we are just pushing that particular character into the result, so it will contain unique characters without duplication. This is what it is saying. And with this, I have completed the assignment and successfully submitted the assignment. Thank you.